Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I just wanted to share my experience with my 2015 Expedition. It needed a front grille in it. The vehicle is a salvage rebuild. I was missing the grille. I tried to find one online, new or used, and the cheapest I could find used was just over $400, which I thought was pretty ridiculous. So, as an alternative, I looked around for aftermarket. I couldn't find any aftermarket grills for a 2015 to 17 Expedition. So, after talking to someone online, I was informed that they were able to get the older grill from a 2014 and older Expedition to fit the front of their vehicle with some trimming. So what I did was I went on, tried to find one. I wound up finding this grill on Amazon, which is an aftermarket grill. It cost me right around $65 shipped to my door, which I thought was a very good deal. I knew it wouldn't fit. The front bumper on the 14 and older Expedition is shaped different, so it dips much lower and the grill is a lot taller. So to fit this grill on my vehicle, first off, the top holes in the grill, they lined up on this one because I had a parts vehicle and I used the upper mount that connects to the radiator support from the donor vehicle. If you use your original bracket for mounting the grill, you should be able to still mount it on there. You may have to drill a couple of new mounting holes, either in the grill or in the bracket itself. Now on the sides of the grill, I did have to trim them right down the side here just to fit with the headlight. The headlight on the Expedition before this is shaped slightly different. So this side I did trim. This other side I also did trim over here. And then I had a large amount of trimming on the bottom. The bottom of the grill actually sat way further down, had a lip underneath to mount on the back of the bumper cover. So what I did was I made several passes cutting the bottom of the grill, trimming it a little at a time to get it to fit, and eventually, as you can see here, I cut all the way along the bottom to make it fit. The only issue I had was now I have a sharp edge on the bottom of the grill. So instead of having that rub my front bumper cover, what I did was I got some foam insulation tape from Home Depot, and one side is sticky, so I wound up sticking it to the flat side bottom of the grill. There we go, we can see it there. As you can see, if the grill moves back and forth a little bit, it's not going to rub, and that worked out very well. Now the other issue is, with the grill mounted like this, since I did cut the bottom off, there is no lower mount. So instead of having the bottom of the grill flopping around, what I did, as you can see, unless I tell you, you're most likely not going to notice, what I did was I took some black zip ties, and on each corner of the grill on the bottom, I wound up zip tying one loop, and I connected it lower down on the radiator support. I used a total of, I think, 3 wire ties on each side, and I looped them all together to make them long enough, and the results actually came out very nice, surprisingly enough. So I was wondering how it was going to turn out, with the exception of the flat black look on the lower grill. I think it looks very nice. Kind of torn on whether I want to flat black the grill on the top or try to gloss black the grill on the bottom. I don't know. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions or comments, put them in down below. I'd like to hear from you. Or if you have a cheaper way for a 15 to 17 Explorer to install a grill that will beat $65, which I can't think of any that would. Believe me, I did my research. Let me know. All right, guys. Hope this helps somebody and gives you the courage to buy the older grill and fit it in, because it saves me $400. I think it's well worth it.